Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So today we're going to start with grade 6 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 6 maths and we are going to start with chapter 3, that is division. Find the chapter division, and the topic we're going to start is the very first topic, that is divisibility rule. So please find the lessons on aplusstudents.com. you have to select you have to select math from the subject tab. Then you have to scroll down to grade 6 maths, and we are going to start with the chapter 3, that is division, and the topic we're going to start is divisibility rules. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points. Got it? Okay. So let's start with the topic, that is divisibility rule. So what do you know about divisibility rules? What are divisibility rules? Because you have done this topic in earlier grades. So what do you know about the words divisibility rules? What are divisibility rules? Do you know the answer? Okay, let me explain what are the divisibility rules. So that a divisibility rule is a shorthand and useful way of determining whether a given integer is divisible by the fixed divisor without performing division. That means you don't need to do division. You can find the answer without division. Got it? You can note down the definition. These rules let you test if one number is divisible by another without having without dividing them. Got it? You have to apply some of the rules and you know if the number is divisible by the other number or not. Got it? Okay, let's start with examples so that you can know how what you have to do actually. Okay, let's start with an example. The first one is 6,995,439 divisible by 3. See, it's a long number in millions. When you divide by 3, probably if you are very good with tables, probably it will take 3 to 4 minutes. Got it? And if you're not good, then it will take 9 to 10 minutes. So you know if it is divisible by 3, you can with just applying some rules. Okay, so for every number the divisibility rules are different. So the divisibility for rule for 3 is you have to find the sum of all the digits. 6 plus, just add all the digits. 6 plus 9 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 9. So you have to sum up all the digits. If sum is divisible by 3, that's divisible by 3. Got it? So let me just add them. When we add them, what is the answer? And 9 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, 5 29, 33 and 36, 36. And yes, it is 45. So we can see 45 is divisible by 3. Yes, 45 is divisible by 3. 15 times 3 is 45. That means the number is divisible by 3. Got it? That means yes, this number is divisible by 3. Got it? So you just applied the rule and you know the number is divisible by 3 without dividing. You haven't divide them. Got it? That is actually the divisibility rules. You don't need to divide. but you apply some of the rules and you know if a number is divisible by the specific number or not. Got it? Let's do another example. So for different numbers, the divisibility rules are different. Okay, you need to see this number is divisible by 2 or not. So the divisibility rule for 2 is very easy. You just need to look at the ones digit. If ones digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, the number is divisible by 2. So here the number that is at the ones position is 9. No, 9 is not divisible by 2. That means the number is not divisible, but the answer is no. Got it? Here you have the answer is no. That means the number is not divisible by 2. Got it? So that's the divisibility rule for 2. If one's digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, the number is divisible by 2. So the one's digit for this number is 9. 9 is not divisible by 2. That means no, the number is not divisible by 2. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. The other example is 4, 7, 1, 8, 9, 135, 935 divisible by 10. So you have to see the divisibility rule for 10. The divisibility rule for 10 is if one's digit is 0, that means the number is divisible by 10. Got it? That's the divisibility rule for 10. The number is divisible by 10. Okay, see the ones digit here. The ones digit is 5. Ones digit is 5. That means no, the number is not divisible by 10. Got it? The number is not divisible by 10. Got it? Okay, so let's start with the practice questions. So on the top right corner, you have a test button. Let's just do some of the practice questions. Okay, the first one is 94,356,516 divisible by 10. So we just did the divisibility rule for 10. The answer is yes or no. Answer is no, because you just need to look at the ones digit. If it is 0, that means the number is divisible by 10. So for this one, you have 6. That means no, the number is not divisible by 10. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 7,663,965 divisible by 5. Okay, so you have to recall the divisibility rule for 5. So the divisibility rule for 5 is if one's digit is either 5 or 0, the number is divisible by 5. Got it? So what is the answer? Yes or no? The answer is a yes, because the one's digit is 5. So the number is divisible by 5. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one mm, Is 7,530,442 divisible by 3? So what is the divisibility rule for 3? Yes, the divisibility rule for 3 is you have to add all the digits. If the sum is divisible by 5 by 3, that means yes, the number is divisible by 3. Got it? So just sum up all the numbers. 7 and 5, 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23 and 2 25. Is 25 divisible by 3? No, we don't have 25 in the table of 3. That means no, the number is not divisible by 3. Got it? The correct option is no. Got it? Okay, the next one is select all the digits that make the statement true. Okay, you are given 1, 2, 6, 5, 0, 8, 4, and the missing number. And the given number is divisible by 10. So you have to put the last digit. What would be the last digit then if it is divisible by 10? 9, 0, or 5? Yes, it is 0. If because the divisibility rule for 10 is if the number is divisible by 10, the ones digit is always 0. So yes, then if you are given the number is divisible by 10, that means the ones digit must be 0 in this case. Got it? So you can complete the test later today. I'm moving on to the next chapter, next topic. So if you need more help with this topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is division patterns with 0. The next topic is division patterns with 0. So if you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So let's start with division patterns with zeros. That means what you have to do when you have to divide the numbers by zeros. Got it? Let's start with the first one. Complete the pattern. 5 divided by 5, 50 divided by 5, 500 divided by 5, and 5000 divided by 5. So first divide 5 divided by 5. We know when you divide 5 by 5, the answer is 1. Got it? Okay, now you have to divide 50 by 5. Just divide the digits. Ignore the zeros. That means again you have to divide 5 by 5. You know the 1 and you have 1 0, add a 0. Got it? Okay. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 500 has two zeros. So it would be 100. Got it? Again, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So 1000 has zeros. So the answer must have three zeros. Got it? That's how you have to complete the patterns. You one of them is missing either the divisor, the dividend, or the quotient. You have to see what are these numbers. Got it? Okay, let's do another example. Complete the pattern. The missing number divided by 3 equals 2. The missing number divided by 3 equals 20. The missing number divided by 3 equals 200. And the missing number divided by 3 is 2000. Okay. What number divided by 3 equals 2? 6 divided by 3 equals 2, isn't it? Because 3 times 2 is 6. Yes, the missing number is that means 6. Here you have 1 0, but the numbers 3 and 2 are same. That means yes, it is a 6 with a 0, 60. Got it? Again, you have to find a number that when divided by 6 equals 2. So it is 6. The answer have the quotient has two zeros. That means here you have to put two zeros. Got it? Again, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. But the quotient has three zeros. That means The divisor also has three zeros. Got it? Okay, the next one is complete the pattern. 7 divided by the missing number is 1. 70 divided by the missing number equals 10. 700 divided by the missing number equals 100. And 7,000 divided by the missing number equals 1,000. Okay, you have to find the missing number. So 7 divides what number equals 1? 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Got it? Okay, 70 divided by what number equals 10? Here you have 1 0, the answer I have marked 0. That means the same number. The 7 is dividing the same number. Got it? Same is the case for 700 and same is for 7,000. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. Let's just do some of the practice questions. Okay, so complete the pattern. You have a number. Missing number divided by 9 equals 1. Missing number divided by 9 equals 10. Missing number divided by 9 equals 100. And missing number divided by 9 equals 1000. So what number divided by 9 equals 1? 9 divided by 9 equals 1. Got it? Okay. That means quotient has a 0. It is 90. Here you have quotient has two zeros. That would be 900. And that would be 9,000. Got it? Okay, select the correct option. The first one is the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, complete the patterns. The missing number divided by 2 equals 2. The missing number divided by 2 equals 20. The missing number divided by 2 equals 200. Missing number divided by 2 equals 2000. The options are 2, 4 and 6. So what number divided by 2 equals 2? Yes, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Got it? That means the one that has the 4 is the correct option. 4. Then 40 divided by 2 is 20. Then 400 divided by 2 is 200. And then 4000 divided by 2 is 2000. The correct option is the second one. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, complete the pattern. The missing number divided by 6 equals 1. Okay, so the options given are 220, 200 and 400, 200, 440, 400 and 6000, 4000, sorry, and then 660, 600 and 6000. So which option is the correct one? What number divided by 6 is 1? Yes, 6 divided by 6 is 1. Got it? 60 by 6 is 10. 600 by 6 is 100 and 6000 by 6 is 1000. So the last option is the correct one. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 8 by missing number is 4. 80 by the missing number is 40. 800 divided by the missing number is 400. And 8,000 divided by the missing number is 4,000. So what number is it? 1, 2, or 4? What number divided by 8 is 4? 8 divided by 2 is 4. Got it? Then 80 by 2 is 40, 800 by 2 is 400, and 8,000 by 2 is 4,000. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, complete the pattern. 2 divided by 2, 20 by 2, 200 by 2, and 2000 by 2. So which option is the correct one? 1, 10, 100,000, 2, 20, 200, 2000, 3, 10, 300, and 3000. So which is the correct one? Yes, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 200 divided by 2 is 100. And 2000 by 2 is 1000. So the first option is the correct one. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. So you can complete the topic later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. Just click on the back button so that we can on the next topic. If you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, let's start with the next topic, that is divide numbers ending in zeros word problems. Okay, divide numbers ending in zeros word problems. Okay, let me read the first question. Climbing gym employee needs to order 18,000 centimeters of rope. How many packages of rope should be ordered if there are 2,000 centimeter in each? Got it? So you have to divide 18,000 by 2,000. What you have to do? Just count the zeros in both the numbers. In 18,000 you have 3 zeros, and in 2,000 you have again 2 zeros. Got it? 3 zeros. So just when they have just same number of zeros, you are left with no more zero because they have same zero. You're dividing them. Just divide 18 by 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. When they have same number of zeros, they cancel out with them. So you are left with no more zeros. So when you divide 18,000 by 2,000, the answer is 9. Got it? That's how you divide with the number of zeros. Okay, let's read the next question. A chef need to buy 56,000 potatoes. If each bag contain 8 potatoes, how many bags should be chef buy? Okay, so 56,000 divided by 8. Okay, so you don't have 0 with 8. You just have 3 zeros with 56. That means your answer must have 3 zeros. You have to divide 56 by 8. So 8 times what number is 56? 8 times 7 is 56. Got it? So it would be 7,000. Got it? Okay, the next one is Relay made 800 pieces of peanut brittle to share with her friends. She put 8 pieces of peanut brittle in each tin. How many tin was Relay able to fill? So you have to divide 800 by 8. Got it? So just divide the numbers. 8 by 8 is 1, and you have two zeros over here, and divisor don't have any zero. That means you have to write the two zeros as it is. It would be 100. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, you have a test button. Just click on the test button so that we can do some of the practice questions. Okay, a farmer needs to ship 2,700 pumpkins to a grocery store. It can create, if each crate can hold 9 pumpkins, how many crate will the farmer need? So you have to divide 2,700 by 9. So let's just divide the digits first. 2,700 by 9. So the digits are 27 and 9. Just divide 27 by 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So you have 3. The divisor don't have any zero, just the quotient, the dividend don't have any zero, just the divisor have two zeros. That means the answer must have two zeros. It would be 300. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, renovating a standard school playground requires 9,000 kilograms of sand. With 45,000 kilograms of sand, how many playgrounds can be renovated? So you have to divide 45,000 by 9,000. So just leave the zeros and divide the digits first. You have to divide 45 by 9. 9 times what number is 45? 9 times 5 is 45. So that means the digit are 5, and here you have three zeros and here you have three zeros. They cancel out each other, so you have no zero with the answer. That means with 45,000 kilograms of sand, one can renovate 5 playgrounds. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, Zachary made 1400 peppermint candies and put them in the silver tins to share with his friends and family. He put 70 peppermint candies in each tin. How many tin was Zachary able to fill? So you have to divide 1400 by 70. So let's just divide the digits first. 1400 divided by 70. So ignore the zeros, just divide the digits first. So 7 times what number is 14? 7 times 2 is 14, and one, it has two zeros and it has one. One zero is cancel out with the one, so you are left with just one zero. You can write them as like this: 1400 divided by, so zero cancel out zero, and 7 times 1 is 0, 7 times 2 is 14. You are left with 1 0, so it would be 20. Got it? So the correct option is 20. Okay, an electrician made to buy 35,000 centimeters of the electrical tape. How many rolls of tape should be electrician order if there are 700, if there are 700 centimeters of tape in each roll? So you have to divide 35,000 by 35,000 by 700. Got it? So it would be 7 times 5 is 35, and out of the three zeros, two of them are cancelled with each other and you're left with one, so it would be 50. Got it? Okay, a printing press needs to ship 600 new textbooks to the publishing company. If each box can hold 300 textbooks, how many boxes will the printing press need? So divide 6 by 3, so 3 times 2 is 6, and both of them have same numbers of zeros, so they can cancel out your zeros, each other's zeros, so you are left with just 2. That means 2 boxes will the printing press need. Got it? A new science website has 45,000 to buy online ads. Ad cost 9,000. How many ads can the website purchase? So divide the numbers. 945 divided by 9 is 9 times 5 is 45. And you don't have any zeros with the dividend. So the answer must have 3 zeros. So it would be then 5,000. Got it? Okay, the Calais Fruit Company needs to ship an order of 72,000 bananas. If each box can hold 900 bananas, how many boxes will the company need? So just divide 70 divided by 9. So 9 times what number is 70? 8 is 70. And the quotient divisor has 3 zeros and dividend has 2. So 2 of the zeros are cancelled out and you're left with only 1 zero. So it would be 80. Got it? Okay, a climbing gym employee needs to order 18,000 centimeters of rope. How many packages of rope should be ordered if there are 2,000 centimeters of rope in each? So you have to divide 18,000 by 2,000. So 2 times what number is 18? 2 times 9 is 18. And both of them have 3 zeros, so their zeros cancel out with each other. Got it? So it would be then 9. Okay, the next one is Stamford Bedding need to ship 4,900 pillows across the country. Each shipping container can hold 70 pillows. How many shipping containers should the company plan to use? So you have to divide 4,900 by 70. So 7 times 7 is 49. So the divisor has two zeros and dividend has only one. So one of them is cancelled out and you are left with 1 zero. Got it? So you can complete the test later today. I'm just moving on to the next topic. If you need more help with this topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So the next topic is estimate quotients. The next topic is estimate quotients. Which sign makes the statement true? 6 question mark 268 divided by 91. Okay, let's just round off these numbers. 268 is rounded to the nearest 10. Round the numbers to the nearest 10. So when you divide, the 10th digit is 6. The digit that is right after 6 is 8. 8 is greater than 5. That means you have to round up. You have to add 1 to 0 and replace the 8 with 0. Got it? Then you have to round off the number 91 to the nearest 10th. 9 and your 1 is less than 5. That means you have to round down. Round down means write the 9 as it is and replace the 1 with 0. So you have 270 divided by 90. So divide 90, 9 times 3, 0 and 0, 0 cancel out. So 6 is greater than 3 or less than 3. 6 is greater than 3. Got it? You need to put a sign of greater or less. Solve the side that has both the numbers and then see which sign makes the statement true. Got it? But first you have to round off the numbers, then you have to divide them. Got it? Because rounding, when you round off the numbers, the division would be easy for the rounded numbers. Got it? Okay, the next one is 38 52409 divided by 756. Okay, so you have to round off the number to the nearest thousand. So the thousandth digit is, just look at this digit first. You have 756. So 7 is at the hundreds place. Just look at the tens place. 5 equals 5. That means you have to round up. It would be rounded to 800. Now you have to find a number that is easily divisible to 800 and near to 552,409. Got it? We know that 52 is not in the table of 8. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 6 is 48. So 48 is much smaller than 52. You can go for 56. So just round off the number to the 56,000. Got it? You just have to find the estimated product, not the exact product. Got it? Got it? Okay, when you divide them, 8 times 7 is 56 and two zeros cancel out. You are left with only one zero. That means 38 is greater than 70 or less than 70. 38 is greater than 7. What you have to do? You have to round off the numbers. Round off, you don't actually round, you actually estimate them. Like divisor is 800, so you have to estimate the number that is nearest to 52,409 and is divisible by 800. So 8 times 6 is 48. 48 is much smaller than 52,409. Got it? So you can go for 56 because 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 7, so it would be rounded off to 56,000, not rounded off, estimated. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. Let's just click on the test button. Okay, 153,231 516,580 divided by 2. So you have to round off the numbers. So first you have to round off this one. It is divisible by 2. You can round off 16. You can, because you know 52. 52 is divided by 2, so you have to round off to estimate to 56, 52,000. And when you divide it 52,000, it would be 26,000. So 1,153,231 is greater than 26,000 or smaller than 520,000, not. So 1,153,231 is less than 2,000, 260,000. Got it? So it would be less. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is estimate which sign makes the statement true. So it is 24,83,256 divided by 8, and it is around 172,166. So you have to estimate and then you have to put the sign. So 8 times, we know that the hit is 24. 8 times 3 is 24. So it is rounded off to 240,000. Got it? So when you divide them, 8 times 3 is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 5-digit number and it's a 6-digit number. So obviously the 6-digit number is greater than, so 330,000 is less than 172,160. Got it? So it is select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 44 433 divided by 17. Okay, you have to look for a number. You have to estimate both the numbers. 17 is estimated to 20 and 433 is estimated to 440. Now let's just divide them. 2 times it would be 2 times 22 and 44. So 44 is greater than 22. So the correct option is the greater one. Got it? Okay, the next one is 6 to 6 to 8351 divided by 3 and 340 divided by 845. So you have to estimate the numbers. So here you have 62 628,000. So it would be rounded off to 630,000 because 63 can be easily divided by 3. So when you divide them, it would be 210,000. So 210,000 is less than 340,845. Got it? So you can complete the test right after the session. So we have done 4 of the topics today. You can find these topics on grade 6 maths. Just go to aplustudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password. Move on to select the math from the subject tab, then select grade 6 and view all lessons. We have done chapter 3 divisibility division. So we have done 4 of the topics. They are divisibility rules, division patterns with zeros, divide numbers ending in zeros word problems, and estimate quotients. So if you need more help, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.